Can you tell which of these videos is real and which one is AI generated? They're both generated. I made them with ComfyUI and a workflow I built called Ultimate Motion. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how it works and what you can do with it. So to run ComfyUI, we need a server with a decent GPU, but don't worry, setting it up is pretty straightforward. We're going to use Runpod. So once you've signed up, you need to open my template that installs ComfyUI and downloads all the dependencies automatically. You can open it through the link in the description. Choose a GPU with at least 48 gigs of RAM. I'm using the RTX PRO 6000 here, but something like the Ada version works fine too and costs less. Click Deploy and wait about 5 minutes for the server to start up and download everything. Once it's ready, you'll see two links here, one for ComfyUI and one for Jupyter Lab. But we only need ComfyUI for now, so just click on that. Alright, this is the ComfyUI interface, and we need to load in the Ultimate Motion file, which you can get through the link in the description. Okay, the workflow is loaded and we're ready to go. First, we need a reference video, and I'm going to use this dance clip here. By the way, I'd recommend using something with a static camera. You'll get much better results that way. Now, we need a reference image, which is basically a photo of your AI model that you want to appear in the video. The important thing is that the pose needs to match the first frame of your reference video. Let me show you how to make one. It's pretty simple. We need a screenshot of that first frame and a photo of your model's face. And I'm going to use Google's Nano Banana model for this. It works really well. I'm running it through Higgsfield, but you can use whatever service you like. Upload the first frame screenshot, then your model's face photo, and type in this prompt. I'll leave it in the comments. Click Generate and give it a moment. Alright, the photo came out pretty good. It's clean and the face looks right. Let's go back to ComfyUI and load this image in right here. And that's basically it. Just press Start and wait for it to finish. Okay, generation is done and here's what we got. You can see the motion looks really natural. Here are a few more examples I made with this workflow. All of this is raw output, by the way. No post-processing was used, and you can go up to 2 minutes with these. You can get this workflow through the link in the description. It's not free because I spent a lot of time putting this together, and I've got to make a living somehow, but it's a really solid tool if you're working with AI models. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be making more workflows, including free ones, so if that sounds interesting, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.